What is up, boys? Crypto back with another daily Bitcoin, ETH, and altcoin analysis video. And first of all, we're gonna head off to our previous trade that I gave in the last video, and we have closed it at 41.07% profits. And all of our trades this week have been profitable, back and back forth profitable trades. So we're very proud of the fact. And if you want to know how to take my trades, a lot of people are joining my Discord. Do join that, and I'll show you in the end how you can take my trades. First of all, we're gonna tell what is happening with BTC on the 4 hourly. The only trade that I gave in my last video was this trade right here, which was a long op from this support range of BTC. What BTC did is it tapped this, it went down, and it was going up again, right? So this is what we gave in the last video. If you're trading this, hold on to this trade. It might go up to this resistance zone right here, which is very nice resistance zone. You can trade this as well. The only risky scenario right now that I could give potential as a trade would be to short this at around here, keep this as the profit, and put the stop loss above this as a 4 hourly close, right? This would be a potential 13-hour trade that you could take, but this is a very risky trade. Why? Because we have no surety of BTC going there, and if it does go there, it could turn bullish as well. So I would not recommend taking this trade. I guess for now, keep your hands off of BTC. As an honest person, it is my job to tell you all, my followers, to not trade when they don't have to, because you're going to lose in this market because it is crumbling right now. We don't see a unidirectional approach on BTC, and as long as that does not happen, I do not see the point in trading this right now. If you're in this long already, I suggest keeping this long open for a long time. That would help. Now we move on to the USDT. Yep, as I said, USDT in my previous video, what USDT has been doing is that it went up, it retested this, and it is going up now. It will tag this resistance region probably, and then go re-tag this again, and then move this, and this will be probably what causes the bull run. This entire line right here. That is the only scenario that I do see right now. USDT looks bullish as hell, and we know it has an inverse relationship with BTC. So if it goes up, BTC will go down. It will probably reach this resistance zone that is imminent for BTC as well. And now you would ask, what is happening with ETH? The altcoins got flooded super bad this time around in the market. It went down a lot. This was a parabolic move towards the downside, a very, very bearish move. And a lot of you might ask, why did this happen? So an important key factor to note in this would be the BTC dominance. BTC dominance is at its highest value until now at around this point right here. What BTC dominance does is that when BTC dominance goes up, the alts usually dump, because a lot of money flows from the alts into BTC, because people find it more safe. So what BTC dominance would do is it is going to float around for some time around here, and then it will get rejected, and then it will retest this and bounce from here and go from here and go down essentially towards this zone right here. So we're hoping for that. When that does happen, eventually it will cause an alt run again, and all alts will pump. But until then, we don't see a chance. Now's your chance to buy some spot here. I would suggest buying some Solana right here. This is the trade that you could take for Solana. Entry around 161 as a long trade, by the way. If you're wanting short, if you're wanting spot, just buy 161 and buy 146 as well. If you want to, just buy all of these if you can. That would be really good for your spot holdings as well. If you check our liquidation heat map for BTC USD Binance for the past 24 hours, you can see, yep, it went up around here, captured all of this liquidity, and there's more liquidity at the 63 to 62 to 60,000. Yep, it is going to tag this. As I said, this is very bearish. Three confluences that we have tell us that this is bearish and it can go down a lot more. So 62,000 to 63. Yep, if it does reach around here and it breaks this support region, there's not much left for there's not much left for BTC after that. I think it's gonna go down a lot. This is very bearish. So as your influencer which you follow, I'm going to tell all of you to not trade this right now. I wouldn't suggest trading this at all. What is DXY doing? DXY is kind of doing its own thing. It doesn't really care at this point. But yep, I would suggest you guys to do your own thing and don't trade the markets right now. I would not highly suggest that. So a lot of you were asking me how I could take your trade. First of all, you're going to join my server. It is the first link in the description below on Discord. You'll end up here, right? So you go to the verified chat and you write down on the chat that I'm not a bot, please verify me, and I'm going to verify you. This guy was a bot and was impersonating me to scam people, so I just kicked him out of the server. So next you can see this announcements. There's my announcement for my YouTube videos, and then you'll reach the access to the trades. These channels you cannot see, the crypto limu forex and these spot challenges, you cannot see these channels, right? You click on access to trades, and then you click on bingex referral role for bingex, this exchange right here. If you click on this exchange, you can trade forex and every other equities market, my gold trades and all of that. If you're wanting to trade that, you can trade this right here. So this is for the equities, and if you want to trade futures, crypto futures or crypto spot, you can choose VX. VX is available to every person on earth. If you're not from the US or Asia and want to trade BTC and ETH and other spot coins, you can still do that on BingeX as well. But if you're from the US, or if you're one of my US clients, you should go for VX, as it does operate in the US as well. It has been registered by the SECP. So I found you the best exchanges, and all you need to do is get your ID, which you make these accounts on, and open a support ticket. Click on create ticket and show me that, and I'm gonna give access to this. And all of my trades are free. Take them, come on around, make money with us, and yes, I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.